Anti-money laundering law does not cover money. It covers institutions, specific ones, designated by legislators, updated slowly and full of gaps that more often than not are not accidents. That distinction determines what regulators can see and, more importantly, what they cannot see. Every country with an AML framework designates certain institutions as reporting entities. So banks, brokers, money service businesses, and more. When a transaction passes through one of these institutions above a certain threshold, a report is generated and regulators can see it. But the circle is not fully shaded. Casinos, some real estate transactions, and entire sectors in some jurisdictions. These may sit inside the financial system, but outside the reporting requirement. So transactions that passes through them may leave no mandatory trail. It's like a speed camera covering one section or a lane of the road. The cars in the other lanes, the ones that are invisible to regulators, are effectively not breaking any rules. The camera was never pointed at them. The gaps are not uniform. Some countries require casinos to report above a certain threshold. Others exempt them entirely. The same transaction, routed differently across two neighboring countries, can leave a complete paper trail or none at all. The Financial Action Task Force publishes recommendations on which sectors should be designated as reporting entities. Those recommendations are not binding. Adoption is voluntary and implementation varies. The reason the gaps persist are not technical, they are political. Industries resist designation. Compliance costs are real and they can be high. Legislators weigh the lobbying case against the law enforcement case. The outcome varies by country, by sector, and by political cycle. When a gap is exploited visibly enough, legislative reform usually follows. Then coverage expands. But that process is slow, and by the time the gap is closed, it has typically been open for years. The question is never whether money laundering laws exist. It is which lane they cover and who decided the rest of the road would remain invisible.